welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I'm Caroline. Okay, so today we are going to do a cleaning video. I know I've been doing a lot of these, but that's what I've been doing lately. Normally I like go shopping and do fun stuff, but life, right? So as you guys seen in my last video, I told you guys that we got a new fridge. So that whole situation has literally caused a huge mess in the house. So I just need to get everything back in order. All of our furniture got pushed. Like Chad had to take down our garage door to get the fridge inside because it wouldn't fit with the door on. I mean, it's just stuff everywhere. Everything got moved. Everything was pushed. And when we took the fridge out, it was leaking just all this water that was in the freezer. It's just a nightmare. So I'm hoping to get all of it done today so that tomorrow and the weekend we can just make a mess again. That's what ends up happening. Anyways, let's get to it. Okay, I literally don't know where to start, but these are the two coolers that we were using while our fridge wasn't working. So I need to take that outside, empty out the water, and then put that in the garage. We're having the twins' birthday party in about a week, so I'll need those for the drinks and stuff. So yeah, so that I don't want to put it too deep away, but do you see our rug is just all jacked up and thrown and everything is just everywhere. That's from breakfast this morning. We ran out. I had an appointment to go to, so I was late. That's Chad's suitcase from, he went to a men's camp. I mean, just stuff everywhere. The mop is still here because we had to mop the all that water. I have dishes from yesterday's dinner. I just didn't have it in me. We were studying for a test that they have, and we just studied all afternoon, and I was just like, you know what, their test is more important than my dishes, but I cannot stand leaving anything in the sink at night because I feel like it just cakes on more. So anyways, we'll get this done. And over there guys, oh my gosh, I don't even want to go over there. This is the mess that I've made from decorating. These are all the bins that I took out and just stuff. So I have to go through all of that, put away stuff, and just finish up everything. I'm gonna do the dining room today, hopefully. So yeah, and just, just put stuff away. Anyways, let's just start.
I don't believe in fairy tales.
Okay guys, so I wanted to encourage you today regarding going to God when you're going through something. So you know how sometimes when we're just going through it, I mean, everything is going wrong. You take 2 steps forward, 10 steps back. You say, okay, I got this, so I'm gonna do much better. And then something goes wrong, and then something else goes wrong. And it's like, what's going on? And then we're just trying to make it through our own strength, right? We try to fix the problems. Okay, well, I'll just do this and it'll get better. And I'll just work harder, and something has to give. But then, unfortunately, when we realize we've already hit rock bottom, that's when we're like, okay, I have nothing else inside of me. I have nothing else to run to. Let me run to God. And that is something that we need to get out of. Stop leaving God last when asking for something. He needs to be the first one. When you're having a problem, you need to train your mind. The first thing I need to do, God, help me. God, I'm going through this. I'm going to leave it in your hands and stop worrying about it. We make ourselves sick thinking and, oh my gosh, this, oh my gosh, that. But if you just give it to God and truly trust that He's got you, He's got your life, He's got you in every aspect of your life, your kids, your spouse, your home, your finances, everything. He's got you. Do you know how much weight is lifted off of you? It's unreal. I love going to God. Now, I'm not perfect. I've had to learn this the hard way. And still, I sometimes will go to my husband and tell him, oh, I'm feeling this. And he's like, why are you worrying? God has us. And sometimes I'm like, oh, shut up. You know, like you get mad and frustrated because you're like, no, I want you to worry with me. But that man, God bless him. He just stays strong. I mean, at least in front of me. I don't know if he does his own thing with God, you know. But anyways, I want to encourage you guys to just keep God first. Let Him be the one you run to, and then you go tell that one person you tell, or you go tell your husband. Talk to God first, because He has Okay, so sometimes when we don't go to God, it's because we think, oh, I've been too bad, or I don't deserve to talk to God because I haven't done so, and whatever it is that in your mind you think you have to do, because you think that you have to win God's love, and that's completely wrong, but that's a whole nother topic. We think to ourselves, okay, I can't talk to God because I haven't been perfect. That's so far from the truth. God, okay, let's put it this way. If your child, if you're a parent, if your son or daughter made a mistake, or your son and daughter did something you didn't like, would you stop loving them? Would you not help them if they asked for your help? Would you tell them, no, you haven't been calling me, you haven't been talking to me, you just look for me when you need me? That may be true, but as parents, our love is so unconditional for our kids that we do it. We would do it. It wouldn't matter what they did or didn't do. You would still give them or help them however they need it. God is the same way. His love is so unconditional, we could never understand it. There's a song called I Love the Way You Love Me. It's by CARR. And some of the lyrics says, times when I drifted away, your grace would say, you still belong to me. I love the way you love me. Your love for me is unconditional. The greatest love of all, deeper than the ocean. I love that song so much because it's so true. God loves us beyond our own understanding, and I want to encourage you to just talk to Him. He has His arms open. He loves you. Just talk to Him. Okay, so here's some stuff that I picked up at Sam's. Rotisserie chicken. This is baby spinach and spring mix. Why can't I read? I wanted this because all the lettuce there just looked jacked up. I want to try the salad. I don't think we've had it before. We're going to do it for dinner today. It's avocado ranch chop kit. It has everything in it. I'm excited. Somebody on YouTube said that they tried this and it was really good. So I just feel like trying it. And I think Chatty will love this.
And then we needed toothpaste. This is not the toothpaste we normally use, but I'm just over looking for the other one that we like, and it's not available at Sam's. It's only available online to be shipped, and it costs, it's just stupid. So we just bought this one. I hope that we like it, because if not, we're using it till we're done with it. This is my favorite bread. We needed soap. We were out of forks, and everyone really enjoys these for after school snacks and after work snacks and just because snacks. So yeah, this is what I got. This mainly I went for this stuff, but then I was like, oh, I might as well get the stuff for dinner. So this is what's for dinner, and yeah, we're good. Guess who forgot to close out the video? Me. Yeah, so guys, if you like this video, please subscribe, leave me a comment down below, make sure your notification bell is on so that you get notified every time that I post a video, and I'll see you on the next one. Love you guys. Bye.